Adrian from Sodick. And Adrian, we're here in front of an interesting machine. What is this? What are we looking at?
We have here our AL60 G die sinker EDM, our flagship for die sinker EDMs, equipped with linear motors, ceramic components, the accuracy, as all customers known.
Yeah, they know and love this machine, right? And being a flagship, you also said it was your baby off camera, right? Yeah. Why is it your baby? Why is it your flagship? And you've got this flagship machine here at EMO. Why are you showing this if this is kind of something people know a lot about already?
You have the best features with the machine. You have, if the conditions are perfectly, ceramic components, you have linear motors, high accuracy, and also, as you can see here, you can automate.
Yeah, so that is what we're talking about today, right? There's something a little bit special going on with this machine. What is it, and how does it work?
So we have here our ERC80 from Arova. Connected with the machine, you can use it by job management or directly with the machine. This one is controlled by job management system. We can manage pallets, electrodes, up to 66 electrodes, identified by barcode or QR code, and you can make your setup offline, not on the machine anymore, so the machine can work and you can prepare in this time.
Fantastic, and that's because we don't see it inside the machine right now, but how do you make sure that an operator can be setting a part up without having to be in the machine and changing things around?
You have the control in the job management system, so you have your CMM data, your measuring values, you can also check, you can make a dry run. If you're not sure, does it work, you can make a dry run to be safe.
Fantastic. So what actually goes on the base here as well? Is this like a pallet system?
Yes, we have a UPC pallet system. You can, by magnet, for example, you can mount your workpieces up to 300 to 300 square.
Yeah, brilliant. So 300 by 300 in terms of workpiece size.
Yes.
And then the 66 electrodes as well allow you to almost match an electrode to pallet. How many pallets can you fit in the Arova system as well?
So in this configuration we have 4 pallets and 66 electrodes.
And can that be mixed and matched? Can it be changed?
Yeah, you can change. It depends on customer. He can set up by its own.
Yeah.
If he needs more workpieces or more electrodes, it's up to the customer.
Brilliant. Why would you use a job management system rather than controlling it with the machine itself?
Job manager, especially for the weekend or overnight, you have no manpower directly on the machine, so you can do your setup over the day and the machine is running by night over the weekend and you have no issues.
Yeah, so what does it mean when you can automate a machine like this, a die sinking machine? The cycles are already quite long on a die sinking machine maybe. So what are the added benefits? How much time can customers expect to get out of an automated system with, is it 4 pallets here or 6 pallets?
Depends on the workpiece size, the machining time. But you don't need to stay at the machine waiting till it's stopped or the job is finished. It starts the next job, the next job, and the next job, and you will come back at work and you can be happy because all your workpieces are finished.
Fantastic. Yeah, it's a really, really good idea. I guess it also helps to tackle the idea that people are struggling to find skilled staff to run machines like this.
Oh, I think it's really easy. So we have our controller, or Sodick controller, is really easy to understand. So even if you have no experience on our controller, it's easy to set up. You have like a dialogue and you can input your values or you can import it from CAM system. So you don't need inputs anymore.
Yeah, fantastic. Brilliant. So that's automated flagship products here from Sodick. They used to be flagship, now they're flagship and they're automated. Thank you so much, Adrian.
Yeah, thank you too.